That ALF file is an Alfresco content export. Repository data extracted from the Alfresco document management platform for migration or backup purposes. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you import, restore, or troubleshoot these content management export files. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic ALF corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. ALF files are content export files from Alfresco, a web-based enterprise content management platform. They contain exported documents, folder structures, metadata properties, version histories, and access permissions packaged for migration backup and content transfer operations. Alfresco ALF files use a zip-based package format containing ACP Alfresco Content Package data with XML metadata descriptors and binary content files. They preserve document properties including custom metadata types, aspects, and association relationships. Most installations default to associating Alfresco content services from Highland with ALF. The archive size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows typically can't unpack backup formats, so a dedicated tool must handle their restoration. Your reliable first step is the Open With action. Right-click the ALF file and select Open With. If Alfresco Content Services is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the application that works. If your ALF file still refuses to open, stay calm. You're dealing with a truly tricky ALF file. We must now test the most common points of failure. Let's see exactly where the error is originating. First, importing content. Open the Alfresco Share Web interface and navigate to Repository. Then use the import function, browse to the ALF file and select it. Configure the import destination folder and click Import to restore the exported content with its metadata and folder structure. Next, verifying import. After importing browse the destination folder in Alfresco Share to verify all documents, metadata, and folder structures were correctly restored. Check document version histories and permission settings to ensure complete content fidelity after the import operation. Finally, creating exports. In Alfresco Share, navigate to the folder you want to export. Use the More Actions menu and select Export to create an ALF file containing all documents, subfolders, and metadata. Store the export file as a backup or use it for migrating content between Alfresco instances. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.